In today's video, I'll show you how to auto scroll on Instagram posts and reels. So, this auto scroll feature is brand new and is currently being rolled out gradually, so not everyone has it yet. First, make sure your app is fully updated. Go to the App Store or Play Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if you see the option. Once updated, open Instagram and check if you have the new feature. For post, tap the three dots on the top right corner. You should see an option that says Auto Scroll. For reels, do the same. Tap the three dots and look for auto scroll or autoplay next reel. If you have it, toggle it on, and Instagram will automatically scroll through posts or reels for you. If you don't see it yet, don't worry, it's still rolling out. So keep checking for app updates. Now, if you're on iPhone and want a temporary solution, you can enable voice control. Go to settings, then go accessibility, then go voice control and turn it on. Then open Instagram and simply say swipe up, it will scroll automatically. Keep repeating the command to simulate auto scroll. That's it.